You're not gonna believe this, but after 2 years, I'm finally releasing a new pattern and I'm so excited to share it with y'all today. I present to you the Pack Light phone case bag. Y'all convinced me to get out of my comfort zone and release a new pattern, and I'm so happy I did. Like I said, this is the Pack Light phone case bag. This is for those days where you don't want to carry a heavy purse. All you really need is your phone and maybe a card and a key. You can just pack it into this phone case bag, which I think is very cute and very durable, very easy. So if you're a beginner crocheter, this is the perfect pattern for you. This pattern is available on Ravelry and Etsy. And shout out to all the people who actually signed up for my newsletter. I always leave something at the end of my videos saying sign up for my newsletter, and I'll let you know when a new pattern is released. And it's been 2 years and I haven't released anything. Y'all should have an email in your inbox already with a discount code. I hope y'all use that and enjoy this pattern. So let's get into the little modifications I did, because I did 3 modifications. This first modification is the first one I made, and I did the blue beads with the green bag, and I love how these 2 colors pair together. I don't know how many of you are involved in the vote that I did on the community tab, but I had different types of beads and I had y'all vote on your favorite, and everyone loved the blue beads. I paired light and dark blue beads with this green bag and it turned out perfectly. The next modification I did is so me, just black bag and turquoise beads. I love this one because this pairs so well with so many things I have in my closet. I love wearing black all the time, so this is just a great color combo for me. I know with my black dress on right now, you can't really see the bag, but trust me, it looks cute with so many things that I just naturally wear. And this one, the beads are more round. The other ones were pony beads, so this looks really cute. The third modification I did is this beige bag with the wooden beads. And instead of crocheting the beads into the strap, I just straight beaded the beads on the strap. And I loved how this turned out. It is so cute. It looks kind of boho, and I just think it's a great variation of the bag. So there are 3 kind of options there. I show you everything that I did. I have a video tutorial included in the pattern. I also have a written pattern, and I have a chart. Hopefully one of those 3 things will help you out in completing this pattern. And I'm doing something a little bit differently. So if you're watching this video and you can't crochet for anything, but you really like this bag, you might be in luck. So one thing I notice is every time somebody releases a new crochet pattern, everyone's like, oh my gosh, I love that so much. Would you make it for me? And most of the time, crochet designers don't really do commissions, but there are lots of people out there who are more than willing to do commissions. So if you're willing to do commissions, if you purchase the pattern, I have some very easy instructions on how you can do commissions for this phone case bag. And once people sign up for that, if you can't crochet, there'll be a link in the description box of this video. You can contact people that are willing to make this bag for you, get some pricing, get your dimensions, all that stuff going. However, I do want to say I'm not vouching for these people. All I'm confirming is that these people have purchased and completed my pattern. But if you have a snafu with them, that's between you and them. I really have nothing to do with that. But I'm praying that nothing goes wrong with this, because I really would love to have a group of people that are willing to make you my patterns. And yeah, we're just gonna see how this goes. But with that, that is the end of this video. And if you haven't signed up for my newsletter yet, you may want to do that, because I might have some more patterns coming. Bye.